Hey guys, so welcome to the Inkit design video. Today we're going to learn how to remove a background from an image. So this is a very basic tutorial that you can do at home. You don't need to know how to you don't need to be a professional graphic designer. You don't need to go study. This is something you can do it inside your house with your own computer. Okay, so let's get started. So here we see I have the Adobe Photoshop 2021, but of course this can work in any year Photoshop. So let's get started. First, let's go to File, Open, and I have an image saved already, which is I just have my logo with a background color. So this is what it looks like. And now the very basic tutorial is how to remove this red color from this logo. So I want to make this logo transparent. So this is a basic tutorial, so this one's going to be fairly easy. I will do one which is a bit more complex with that has a background that is a bit more complicated to remove. So stay tuned because I will be posting that video soon. But let's get started onto this. So I have here on your left side is your tools. And if you are not able to see your settings like this, then if you will just go on Windows, and if you go on your workplace, you need to select Essentials Default. It will come up with all of these tools, okay? So here I have a few tools, and the one that I want to look for is the Magic Wand tool. If you're not able to see this tool, because there are 3 selections here, you can just right click and then select Magic Wand tool. And then if you just select here, you see how it already selects this outward color, which is exactly what we want, and we want to remove this. But before we press delete, there's one thing that we need to do, which is, if you see here in the layer section, it's still locked. This layer is not into a layer yet. So what we need to do is basically we need to turn this into a layer, which will allow us to edit this layer. So if you double click here, this box will turn up. You just need to say OK, and then if you see here, it's turned into a layer now. So if you go back here and it's already selected, all you need to do is press delete, and there you have it. So now your background is removed. Now if you want, you can place it in any other color. If you go here, add a new layer, and let's say I want green. So I'm going to come into my paint bucket tool over here. So I'm going to click on this, make sure it's on this layer. I'm going to click here and go to my move tool, back to my layers, and drag this down to make it under. And there it is. So if you want to also change colors, go back to your tool, go back to your layer here, right click, blending options, and color overlay. So if you do color overlay, click on this once again, and over here is your color box, which you can pick any color that you want. If you can see here, I can basically pick any color. So this is how you remove a background, a solid color background from any image. So this is again a basic tutorial that you can do from home, very easy. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.